Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Type chkdsk /f/r and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type and hit enter. Type cd space / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space /. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space / and hit enter. Now type attrib space /boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.